Hi, my name is Laura Pantlio, and I'm the Solutions Specialist with My Epiroc. Today we'll be going over how to install My Epiroc on your mobile device. This is subject to change. To install My Epiroc on your Apple device, go to the App Store. From the App Store, search for My Epiroc. Scroll down to the My Epiroc app and select Get. Once installed, hit Open. And when the app opens, you can log in using the credentials that you set up on your desktop. To install My Epiroc on your Android device, go to the Play Store. From here, search for My Epiroc. My Epiroc will be the first result. Select Install. Once installed, you can open the app and log in as you normally would on your desktop. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please contact your customer center or dealer.